Sam's Christmas Present by author Annie Besant, illustrator Alicia Souza, publisher Pratham Books. Sam was a very curious boy, and what he was curious about was his Christmas present. "Mummy, where is my Christmas present?" asked Sam. She smiled and said, "It is hidden in a secret place, Sam." Sam stuck his tongue out and went in search of his father. "Daddy, where is my Christmas present?" asked Sam. "It is hidden in a secret place, Sam," his father replied, smiling. "I know what to do," Sam said. "I will go gift hunting." He looked behind his father's desk and he found a gift box wrapped in red paper. "But this is for Aunt Juju," said Sam, reading the tag. So he slipped into his parents' room and he found a gift box wrapped in gold paper. "For Uncle Alfie," Sam read aloud from the tag. Then he opened his mother's cupboard and he found a gift box wrapped in purple paper. "For our daughter Sophie" was written on the tag. Sam went back to his room and sat on the floor, feeling very sad. He had badly wanted to find his present. And then he saw a gift box wrapped in silver paper under his bed. "This is for me," he shouted, reading the tag. Sam shook the box. He turned it around in his hands. What was inside? Oh, what could it be? Did he open it or leave it in the secret place? Are you curious to know what curious Sam did with his gift? He put it back under the bed and decided to wait for Christmas.